undisclosed sum. The credits will come from OPG's Sir Adam Beck Generating Complex, a hydroelectric plant near Niagara Falls, Ontario, the Crown-owned power generator said in a news release. Most of the sale proceeds will go into the provincial government's Future Clean Energy Fund to support investments in low-carbon power generation. Ontario businesses can buy CECs from eligible low-carbon producers to offset their own emissions and meet their environmental and sustainability goals, OPG said. A provincial registry tracks the CEC program to ensure only one business can use each credit. Steve Myrtle. Title: Nissan's next CEO Ivan Espinosa opens up on what makes him tick. Content. At Tsuji, Japan, Ivan Espinosa, the man taking the helm of Nissan Motor Company. Next week, as the Japanese carmaker's youngest ever CEO, has a taste for the freestyling, fun side of life. He pilots his gray Nissan Z sports car to work every day, enjoys an invigorating motorcycle tour through the mountains of Japan and savors vacation time at the beach. A proud father of two, the 46-year-old Espinosa has a passion for tennis, golf and scuba. He loves the smell of diesel, the hum of the factory floor and the rhythm of a good drum solo. And, as a Mexico City native, he'd be remiss not to mention his insatiable appetite for tacos al pastor. I have probably 4 or 5 at the same time, he said in the March 25th chat. Opening up about what makes him tick and what ticks him off, Espinosa outlined 2 things Nissan must improve, confesses his biggest regret on the job and explains his inspiration for joining the company, all while giving a deeper glimpse at the man behind Nissan's mettle. Nissan's first non-Japanese boss since Carlos Ghosn has his work cut out for him. Over just the last year, Nissan's sales have reversed, and its profits have imploded to losses. New product is sorely needed, incentives are spiraling, the company is bleeding cash and its credit ratings have been slashed to junk by all 3 major agencies. Meanwhile, Nissan is scrounging for new partners after scuttling what could have been a historical merger with arch-rival Honda. This is what I was reflecting on that weekend when they told me, hey, would you be interested in being CEO? Espinosa said. I started to think, okay, there's a big challenge, but I'm up for it. Espinosa is still putting together what is expected to be a revised, more robust revival plan and is not ready to talk details. But already he's pinpointed a need for better planning and cost control. For starters, Nissan is too loose with forecasting and delivering volume targets, he said. There is a gap between the lofty goals set by executives and the results that are achieved. This is one fundamental thing we have to address, Espinosa said. We think our brand is stronger than it probably is in some parts of the world. Next, Nissan needs more aggressive cutbacks to fixed and variable costs. The second thing is cost, he said. This needs deep work. Espinosa has a simple rule for rooting out problems. First, check where everything seems okay. One thing that really ticks him off is people who lack transparency. I can tell you a story about a myth inside Nissan, that green smileys on a scorecard means that everything is okay, Espinosa said. The reality is those green smileys are the ones that you need to look deep into. Yeah, that's where you discover where problems are. Regarding tie-ups, Espinosa said he keeps an open mind.